Hello, fellow travelers. Dreaming of strolling through ancient ruins, savoring exotic flavors in bustling markets, or losing yourself in a new culture? Even seasoned travelers can fall prey to common blunders. Some mistakes cost money, some cost time, and some risk your safety. Today, we share travel mistakes to avoid for a stress-free trip. Stick around for pro tips to make your next adventure smooth. Let's dive in. Picture this: you're strolling through a bustling marketplace, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, when suddenly you realize your wallet is missing. Pickpockets are masters of distraction, and crowded tourist spots are their favorite hunting grounds. Avoid flashing cash, jewelry, or fancy cameras. Opt for a discreet money belt under your clothes for documents and cash. We all love free Wi-Fi, especially when traveling. But before you connect to that unsecured network, remember, hackers love free Wi-Fi too. Using public Wi-Fi without a VPN is like sending a postcard with your credit card number. Invest in a reliable VPN and travel with peace of mind. Remember, you're a guest in another country, and it's essential to respect local customs and laws. What might be acceptable back home could be frowned upon or illegal in another culture. Familiarize yourself with local etiquette and laws to avoid troublesome situations. Imagine this: you're about to pay for that delicious street food only to realize your wallet is missing. To avoid this, never carry all your cash in one place. Divide your money between your wallet, a hidden money belt, and a secret compartment in your luggage. That way, if one stash goes missing, you'll have backups to keep your trip on track. After a long flight, it's tempting to jump into the first taxi you see, but hold on. Unlicensed taxis can turn your trip into a nightmare. Stick to official taxis, reputable ride-sharing apps, or pre-arranged transportation. Your safety and peace of mind are worth the effort. Remember, you're a guest in another country. Respect local customs and laws. What might be acceptable back home could be frowned upon or illegal in another culture. Familiarize yourself with local etiquette and laws to avoid awkward or troublesome situations. Packing light is a virtue, but ensure your wardrobe is appropriate. Different cultures have specific dress standards, especially at religious sites. Pack a scarf or shawl for temples, mosques, or churches. It's a small gesture that shows respect for local customs. We all love capturing Instagram-worthy moments, but remember, not everyone appreciates being photographed without consent. In some cultures, it's considered rude or intrusive, especially in rural or religious places. When in doubt, simply ask for permission before taking a picture. Exchanging money at the airport seems convenient, but it's often the worst place for a good rate. Those kiosks charge hefty fees or offer bad exchange rates. For a better deal, use an ATM or exchange money at a city center bank. Imagine this: you're about to make a big purchase, but your card gets declined. Notify your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans before you leave. This prevents your transactions from being flagged as suspicious and ensures smooth card usage. In a perfect world, we could pay with a single card. But in travel, it's wise to have a backup plan. Carry cash, credit, and debit cards to cover any situation. It's always better to be safe than sorry. While some countries boast crystal clear tap water, others not so much. Contaminated water can lead to unpleasant travel woes, from stomach bugs to serious illnesses. When in doubt, stick to bottled water or use a water purifier. Your gut will thank you. No one likes to think about things going wrong on their trip, but unexpected events can and do happen. From medical emergencies to lost luggage, travel insurance is your safety net for the unexpected. It might seem like an extra expense, but it's worth its weight in gold. Consider it an investment in your peace of mind. Remember that heavy suitcase you lugged through the airport? The one that made you regret packing those extra pairs of shoes? Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched, Pack only essentials and leave room for souvenirs. Your back and your future self will thank you. You've planned your itinerary, booked your flights, and packed your bags, but the best travel moments are often unplanned. Embrace unexpected detours and spontaneous encounters, the moments that don't go according to plan. These experiences make your trip unique and unforgettable. Bon voyage and happy travels. Traveling is a privilege, a chance to step outside our comfort zones, embrace new cultures, and create lasting memories. Avoiding common travel blunders sets you up for a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable journey. So, pack your bags.